Hey guys, Ricardo here. Welcome to another blog tech tips. And of course guys, today I'm going to show you how to on the Galaxy S10 fix the issue where your Galaxy S10 keeps losing signal. And of course I'll have several solutions for you guys. So if your device keeps using signal, which is usually the S10, S10 E or S10 Plus or any other similar device. So if you have such a device and you're constantly losing signal, try the following. All right, the first thing you want to do guys is just to check to see if you're in airplane mode. Airplane mode will disable all the radios in your device and prevent your smartphone from communicating with your cell towers and so on to make calls. So just go ahead and swipe down from the top. And of course, once you swipe down from the top, you can always see if you're in airplane mode. If you're in airplane mode, beside the battery percentage or beside the battery icon, you should see an airplane. And of course, the airplane is highlighted here. To disable, just go ahead and tap. All right. And once you do that, it will take a little while to connect to the network. Notice there. And of course, it does show now that I have full signal strength. So if you do check out up here, it go ahead and says here that I have full bars. The full bars is roughly 1 2 3 4, which is basically 4 of those signals in increasing order right beside the Wi-Fi there, and right beside the battery percentage of 81 in the middle. You'll notice those signal bars. All right, if you're having poor connection, I suggest that you go somewhere like a window. If you're in a structure, a thick structure, it can also affect you. You can also go outside and so on for better reception. If you're having 2 bars, that's tend to be low. 2 bars or 1 or none. I advise trying to get at least 3 to 4 bars for full coverage. In some areas as well, you might have shoddy coverage, and all of this can be affected by your carrier. All right, with that being said, if this is a new device, sometimes the carrier can have issues, such as carriers like Sprint and others globally might have issues communicating properly with the device. And that's because with any new device, there tend to be issues. I suggest that in any case, make sure you're connected to the Wi-Fi. I'm already connected. And once you're connected to the Wi-Fi, go to settings. Once in settings, I want you to scroll down, and then you want to go to software updates. And of course, you want to hit download updates, and it says checking for updates. Normally, if there's an update, what's going to happen is that it should go through update the phone. Usually, there are stability updates from your carrier, such as Sprint or whoever is your wireless carrier, that might be able to fix software-based issues that might be plaguing your phone. And most of the times, that could be issues such as drop signals and so on. So doing that should help for most people. Third, you can just go ahead guys, and you're gonna reboot your phone. So just go ahead and hit power and either power down totally or restart. Once your phone boots back up, go ahead and see if you're having better receptions. If your device has been on for a very long time, it can have issues such as poor communications with software and so on, and you might have bugs such as signal problems and all that. So that's the third option. The fourth option guys is go to settings. Once in settings, scroll down, you're going to look for general management. Once you're in general management, go ahead and hit reset, and this time you're going to reset network settings, which is the second option. So reset network settings. Should ask for your password. Go ahead and enter your password. It will reset basic stuff such as Wi-Fi and network based access settings. Do not worry, you'll not lose anything of importance. Once you do, at most you will be asked to re-enter the Wi-Fi password and so on. But of course, sometimes that can be used to fix serious issues with your device. And of course, if that fails guys, the other thing you can try is to do a total reset. It might be that your operating system is corrupted, and the only way to fix this problem is to do a reset. So go to settings. Once in settings, again similarly, you're gonna go to general management, and you're gonna go reset this time. And where you're gonna go next is you're gonna go to factory data reset. Before you proceed guys, make sure you back up your device. So make sure you back up all of your files that you need. If you do not have anything that you need on the device, in cases like it's new or so on, you may want to just go ahead and do that, or just proceed. So just go ahead and hit factory data reset, follow the instructions, and your device will be wiped. It should reboot, and it will be the first time you got it out of the box from the factory. All right, and of course doing the reset. Next, the other thing to try is you could return it to your carrier, or just give your carrier a call. So just call up your carrier and actually tell them which device you have if they do not already know, and walk them through what the problems that you've been having. And in the case that it's something from their side, they should inform you, and also guide you on the procedures, such as if they'll replace the device, or if it's something hardware related, they'll change out a part in the phone and so on. Usually it's of no charge to you, but of course there's the inconvenience factor. But that might be the only solution. And of course, working in your career, you should be able to find a decent solution. All right, guys? So those are all the main things to fix, mainly software issues with signal on the Galaxy S10. If it's hardware issues, the only person that can help you is a repair shop, or of course your carrier, and I advise that you use your carrier since you spend so much money on these devices. Alright guys, Ricardo Gunner from Blog Tech Tips, saying bye until next time. Bye.